Hello guys, welcome to Digital Text. In this video I'm going to show you guys how to set VLC media player as your default video player on Windows. What this does is that whenever you open a video file, it's going to automatically use VLC to open it. So please consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't. I upload awesome tutorial content and reviews and pretty much unboxing videos of almost anything that I lay my hands on that needs unboxing. So to do this, you click on your start, then you click on this settings here. After clicking on settings, you now click on apps, which has uninstall defaults optional features. Then you click on it. After clicking on it, you click on default apps. Okay, after clicking on default apps, you now scroll down to where it says video player. Here you change default video player. As you can see, films and TV is the application that comes with Windows 10. It's the default, so we want to change it to VLC. So let's take a look at the icons here. As you can see, all the icons are using the films and TV apps icon. There's MKV, MP4 and MP4, so let me change it so we will see the difference. Okay, we now go back to our settings here and then click on films and TV on the video player. After clicking on it here, you select VLC media player. It's going to set VLC media player as the default video player on our Windows. So whenever this device detects a video file, it's going to automatically use VLC to open it. As you can see here, this is the VLC icon, VLC icon, VLC icon. So we have successfully set VLC as the default video player on this Windows device. Please, if you find this video tutorial helpful, make sure you share, and most importantly, subscribe to my channel. Is how you motivate me in your own way. And like this video, share it with your friends also, and make sure you do have a nice day. Thank you.